Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at pseudo elements. What do I mean by pseudo elements is something I type in the body. Let's say I'm typing some paragraph in the body. If I want to change the first letter into some style or first line into some style, we use the pseudo elements to do that. Now let's go ahead and see an example. First I create three paragraphs. Okay, three paragraphs. In the first one, P \P. I copy this one 3 times. Copy. Okay, now I'm gonna type something. Yo Peter, what's up? Yo Peter, what's up? And then here I'm gonna just type oh my fucking god. And here I'm gonna type like god. Okay. Excuse me. Now when I refresh, you can see we have this 3 paragraph we typed there. Now I'm going to change the first letter into something. To do that, we use the pseudo elements. We have to go into style, type P, and then here put first letter, first dash letter, and then let's make the fonts to bold. To do that, I type font weight, font dash weight to bold. Okay, then let's change the font size into something big. Font dash size 30 pixel, and then I'm going to change the font color into green. So just put color and green, close the semicolon, and then curly bracket closed. Now when I refresh, you can see all the first letter changed. That's what the pseudo elements is, basically first letter or first line. If you want to do that, you can use the pseudo elements to do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.